So, while I was in the middle of getting my doctorates watching Grey's Anatomy, my boy just hit me up right now talking about, do I want to go to a car meet? Because apparently these things get pretty fucking crazy, and they said tonight there might be some street races. So I said, what better idea than to make a video going out to this car meet? So let's go.
Alright, there we go. Anybody else? Come on, paragraph.
Would you on those tires if we do heads up?
Huh?
What? That's on this.
That's what I got.
1280, 1290. Heads in. Look it up. You can look it up.
So, taking your word, because you won't pop the hood, your car only has an intake and exhaust. Right?
No two.
Okay. No two. Not at all. Not even a Diablo tuner from 1990.
If I started up, if the car had long tubes, I started up, it would have a check engine light. It's just funny how y'all
Hey man, I'm guaranteed y'all.
Are y'all gonna prep?
Man, shit right here, beat anybody's ass out. Oh, how about that? How about that? Y'all really want to do some dumb shit? My man, shit right here. Well, fuck anybody's car.
You want to put money on his mouth?
Another one. Here we go. Bud Light.
Get it, Bob.
I even hit him with trouble shop. All right. Cut 2-man talk. 2 racers got to talk.
Pass is 13.9 then.
No, I have everything to prove that I'm a 12.9 car.
I can show you 13.
Anybody out here ain't fucking
For the same
10 minutes. $100. How much space you get?
I'm not giving you nothing. You get a
How
heads
the
up.
fuck are you not going to give me space? You make more power than me.
Oh my god.
I make 420 to the crank. A stock 5.0. 2017.
You're making 435 to this thing.
I have 435 to the crank, but I make 320. Alright, 420 to the crank, right?
Keep with your lies. Keep going.
Alright, I make 380 to the wheel too. What is I fuel not?
Okay, 382. How much your car
No,
weighs?
380 to the
Okay,
wheel.
and how much your car weighs?
My car weighs 3,900 pounds.
Okay, thank you.
What time?
4,800 pounds.
And you make a- and
we
with
make
100 more power than me?
420 to the wheels. You want a dyno sheet? We will show you.
Alright, go get it. I'll grab mine.
He pulled that shit up on his phone. Prepared.
Can I say one thing? All right. We go to the line, right? We go to the line. Who wants pimp juice or who wants water burnout?
I don't need either.
You don't need it either?
No.
Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper? All right,
How much
cool.
space you
Well, then let him go. Then stay the fuck out the business then. Real shit.
Alright, then why he asking for space and none then?
We didn't. We said heads up.
My man got.
He got out the car and offered it to us.
Yeah.
I didn't
And then
shit
he
about space
backpedaled.
getting offered.
Yeah. So you're trying to go heads up.
That's what we said. Heads up, 3 car for 3 car to BMW. That's not going to do. This car makes 2 hours me.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you can't drive either. So yeah, so you both should be friends now and stop arguing. Because I know I gapped you, and you could get it too.
Hey, give me till next month.
I thought your car blew up.
My car goes to Paul's shop.
Back in a few weeks.
We'll get it. Don't worry. My car goes back to Paul's.
Oh, so you're a cocksucker.
I'd rather put my tire on so I don't blow them off.
Wait, I thought you just blew them off in the 8th though.
I blew off my slicks. I have 3 sets of tires. I have 3 tires, slicks, and my radials. I'll pop it. Come on, I'm right over here.
Where do you exhaust that, boss?
I cut it off. I literally cut the mufflers off.
You cut it off?
Yes.
All right.
I'm the stockest car out here, and people won't give me space. Y'all can take the valve or covers off and everything. I ain't got shit hiding. Yet y'all won't give space.
Hey, dog, I'm just here for the fun.
I don't know where we're at. I don't know how we got here, but shit's about to get stupid.
I like white line.
You alone.
Negative, Ghost Rider.
I'm talking about like. I want to see. I want to see. I just want to see.
We gotta get out of here.